Backyard Bound is an annual youth summit designed to convene Bay Area youth and to inspire teens to explore environment, park, and community issues. The summit takes place at the Robb Hill Campground in the Golden Gate National Recreation Area and is an opportunity for us to explore youth leadership and its role in the conversation and efforts in our environment and community.
I just want to thank all you guys for coming out to support this event that we have all worked so hard on. When I say we, I don't only mean the IL team. This year we collaborated with 9 other youth-led organizations from all over the Bay Area. We all came together to develop workshops, outdoor activities, and group discussions that all go back to developing a stronger connection to the environment.
I'm super looking forward to hearing what all the other youth groups have to say, hearing the experiences they're building right now, getting to listen to the different backgrounds and the different ideas they come up with. It's super exciting.
I got here and I was so amazed by the place, the trees, everything around me. I don't know, it was just amazing being outside.
Having been through all these programs, you know, I always learn something new from everyone else that I meet here, especially the youth who come out here to the parks. They always have the greatest ideas, the greatest suggestions, and they inspire me every time.
Youth have an opportunity to participate in team and skill building workshops and outdoor experiences before breaking out into discussion work groups. These activities are led by youth and our community partners. Together, we will learn about relevant and important issues from youth about their neighborhoods and their environments, as well as the possible solutions that they identify to address them.
First of all, I really needed a job. I really needed the money, but once I got here in IL and I knew what the program was about, I fell in love with it. Like, it gave me opportunities that otherwise I would never had if I didn't join IL, like such as camping or whatnot. Like the first Backyard Bound that we threw was the first time, like my first camping experience. So I would never had that if IL never gave me the opportunity.
They got to see an idea through, which there's so many moments for a kid where they just dream and they just have ideas, but they don't have the right platform and right all the support. And Backyard Bound allows for that, for an idea to become a reality, and then people get to see the impact immediately. And that can be life-changing.
There are so many youth out there who are interested in parks, but I think a lot of times they may just not necessarily have a lot of exposure to what parks are all about. And the only way you can get that exposure is through events like this.
The planning summit, it was so cool because it was created by the youth for the youth. And like everyone got to share their opinions. Like they were all counted equally. It was something that the kids did.
Because of my experience at school, after I graduated, I decided that I wanted to help other teens like me who were struggling through that to overcome that and to find that they have opportunities out there and that they don't have to look very far for them. They can just turn to the backyards and find themselves in a whole new world with new possibilities.
So when you see commercials on TV and you see advertisements for going outdoors and whatnot, you don't see too many people that look like me or my or as dark as me and nothing like that are running or hiking through the parks. You see, to be quite frank, you see older Caucasian people. So it's not advertised to us.
A large part of what we do here at Golden Gate is focused on connecting youth with national parks. And even though I think when youth do connect with parks, they don't always associate parks as a job opportunity. It's a huge priority of ours here in the Park Service and in the Department of Interior in general to make sure that the folks who do take my job when I retire really represent America, and especially the areas where those parks are located.
National parks or spaces in your very own backyard are places where people can be inspired to create positive change in their own lives and in their communities.
One thing that I learned today is definitely appreciating outdoors more. So actually spending time just appreciating nature. So just when bad things come or just stuff in life just kind of overwhelms you, it's good to know that you have a space like this to just take a walk and kind of appreciate it.
It's super important to support youth programs like Backyard Bound and like the IL program and all the other organizations that are out here, because it's a way to inspire others, inspire the youth, and get to know them, get to hear their ideas, get to hear what they have in mind for their future and for the future of others, for the future of the park.
Connecting youth to the environment is super important. We're the next generation. Like, I don't know, I just feel like I need to do my part in helping our planet, because if I don't, like, how am I supposed to expect others to?